If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Gmail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your spam folder. Sometimes, login codes can end up in your spam or junk folder. Make sure to check these folders in your email account to see if the code has been misdirected. Step 2. Verify your recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Disable two-step verification temporarily. If you're having ongoing issues, consider temporarily disabling two-step verification. This can help you log in without needing a code, allowing you to troubleshoot the settings. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from receiving codes. Ensure that your device is connected to a reliable network and try again. Step 5. Contact Google Support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Google Support for assistance. They can help you resolve any account-specific issues that may be preventing you from receiving login codes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with receiving login codes from Gmail. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.